Hi friends, I'm Saurav and today I'm going to teach you a drill. Okay, guess what it is? Bowling! So I'm going to show you two drills today. 3-step drill and a 6-step drill. What you need for the drill is 1 stump, 2 cones. Get your 2 cones, set them up. Use your stick as a measuring thing. I don't have stick, so I use the stump. And keep it here balanced. You're asking what is 3-step drill? First drill? Well, I'll show you. So, get here. If you're a grown up, then keep it a bit far. But if you're a kid, keep it here. So you keep 1 foot here, left foot. Then you right foot. Start your bowling. Keep it like here, like you take it out as a sword and try to chop. Okay? Like keep it here, like this. And take your sword out, chop, and bowl. What is 6-step drill, you ask? It's easy. First, right foot, not left foot. Then left foot. Then right foot. Then left foot. End up in your left foot, but you start in the right foot. Then you start your bowling action and bowl. 6-step drill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for both the drills. If you do, start slow when you're confident, go a bit faster, and when you're really confident, run. Okay? Friends, if you want to bowl like Geoffrey Arthur, he's a very fast bowler in England, then do it every day. Make you fit, it keeps you good, healthy, and also